Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rainbow Bananya, so let's get started. To draw this cute rainbow cat, let's first start by drawing his horn. So I'm going to come right here, and this is going to be the tip area. So right here I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm going to come down with an angle. And same thing over here. So it's at a slant, and then I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a curve at the bottom. And I'll come in here very lightly and just draw some curves to give it some volume. Then from there, I'm going to come to the top right here. So this point right here that you made, come straight up to say about right here, and just give yourself a point. And from there, we're going to start to draw the main area for our unicorn. And we're going to come around, and we're just going to come back right here and come around. So back and forth just to create this little tuft of hair. So then about right here, I'll go ahead towards the center. Go ahead and draw this little strand that comes down and connect it back up. There. So if you're using a pencil, you can always just draw this shape here first and then put in the horn. But because I did want to erase, that's why I started with the horn. Okay, so then now that we have this little tuft of hair right here, let's come back and we're going to draw the eyes right underneath it. So this is our center right here. Well, let's draw the mouth first. So this is our center. I'm going to come about right here, right underneath it. And I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm just going to curve out, and then add a deep curve right in the center. Right there. Then from there we can go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come to the side about right here and draw two circles right here. So there's many ways you can tackle this drawing. If you're using a pencil, you can definitely draw this eye area first and then put that part there after. And highlight right here. Sorry, I'm getting carried away. Highlight right there. But it's because I'm using a Sharpie. I felt that we need to get this part in first, which is most important to get everything correct. Okay, so now we have this right underneath that. Then from there, we're going to come about right here. Let's say in this area right here. I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to curve down. So we're starting to draw the head. So it's all coming together. And then about right here, just imagine this is coming through. About right here, we're going to pop out an ear. About right here. So you're just imagining this curve that's coming through. And about right here, we're going to go down. There. And then let's come back in here. And we're just going to draw a curve and then another curve right there as if it was coming through. Then let's come to the other side. So the same thing right about here and down and a curve. So it's just dragging this point across to make sure I'm about the same height for the other ear. Then from there, I'm just going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. So now that we have that in, let's bring this down a little bit more. And this is going to come out a little bit, just a little bit wider. And about right here, I'm going to stop and draw a hand that pops out. There. And then just continue your curve down to about right there. And then in this area is where I'm going to start to draw the other hand. So the other hand's about right here. But before I do that, I'm going to come right here and just draw this slightly slanted line down. So we're creating the banana case, which is at this angle and this angle. So just remember that. So then about right here, I'm going to stop and just pop out this hand. This other hand right here in this corner area. Whatever space I have left, I'm going to go ahead and finish it. And so like I said, imagine this is kind of like the corner area. And we're going to go up and then connect. There. There, so we've created this corner for our peel. Then from there we can go ahead and come down. So this is being our corner. We're going to come down about, say, right here. And this is where I'm going to start to draw a curve for the 2 banana peels. So let's come back over here. And here, and then one more here. So I'm just giving myself points so I know where I'm going. Then from there, let's go ahead and work on this main peel first. So I'll bring this down, bring this down. And we want to aim and come in. So let's come in right underneath the eyes. So right here. I'm going to go ahead and round it off and connect. Then on this side, let's do the same thing. So come down, about right here, almost the same length, maybe a little bit higher, and come up. And we're just going to go ahead and connect once again. So this side's a lot thinner because it's on the side. There, so we created these 2 peels, and then from there we can go ahead and start to draw the banana. So we just want to make sure the body of your banana is the same width as the cat. So just make sure about that. So when you come down, so say about right here, I'll give myself a point, and imagine this was coming through, so say about right here. Give myself a point. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the body of our banana. I'm going to give it a little angle down. And this side's going to curve. Going to give our banana a slight tilt. And then from there, about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and start to come in so that we can draw the tip of our banana. So once again, this is still coming in. So we're getting narrower. So then about right here, I'm going to curve it out and give it a little angle right here for the tip of our banana. Come down flat, and we're going to go up and connect. So we're just creating these 2 angles right here. So we're creating these 2 angles so that we can create this little square right there. So just come in here, give it this little angle, and I'll just shade this in so you can see a little bit better. And then from there, we're going to put in this curve and a curve right here where that center was. Just going to do that lightly and stop. There. So now it looks more like a banana, right? Very important line right here for that angle. Then from there, let's come back here and we're going to draw the other peel. So let's come back right here in this little corner. We're going to come down with a curve and kind of like around the same right there. Just going to pop out this other peel and let's give it some volume. So let's come over here and add a curve. Then for some details, let's come back right here where our corner is. And I'm just going to lightly draw this line to give our peel some volume. And let's see. Okay, then from there, oh, I forgot the main part right here. So for our unicorn, so I'm going to come back right here. Our caticorn, a Bananya Caticorn, right? I'm going to come out with a curve. And another one, and one more, and then just tuck it right back in. And then the banana part right here has some stars to decorate it. So I'll come right here and draw 3 stars. And if you need help drawing stars, just Google "draw a cute star," how to draw a star, and one more. So I'll just kind of change it different directions. There. And of course I'm going to add a heart, so let's add it right here at the base to make it my Draw a Cute Rainbow Banana. And I just realized I forgot something really important because it is a cat. We need to put some whiskers. So right here where the eyes are, just put in 2 little angles on both sides. So that's pretty much it for the drawing of Bananya here, the rainbow version. But if you want to spruce it up, you can have him holding a wand. So if you want to do that, you can come about right here. So just imagine, I'm just going to put a wand through his hand. And so I'll say I come about right here. I'm going to draw a big star right in this area. Just going to tuck it in, round off my corners for a soft star. And then from there, I'm going to bring a wand, so a straight line through his hand and connect. And then for some details, you come in here for a little bow. Right there. And then I'll come in here real quick and just wipe this part out so you can see a little bit better. So just make sure your star, whatever this tip point is, that's your angle of your wand. So they're all done. I really hope you love this rainbow banana just as much as the regular banana that I drew. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.